Camping saws are an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. There are many products available to choose camping saws, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. The Gerber Freescape Camp Saw 31-32 is a great tool for camping and outdoor activities. It folds down flat without removal of parts and accepts standard 12-inch saw blades. The rubber overmold grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. It is made of high-speed steel and is suitable for cutting wood. Customers have praised its compact size, cutting power, and durability. However, some have reported that it broke after only a few uses. Number 2. Agawa Boreal 21-21-inch Folding Bow Saw. The Agawa Boreal 21 Folding Bow Saw is a versatile and lightweight saw that is perfect for camping, backpacking, canoeing, off-trail, hunting, trail clearing, and more. It features an anodized 6063 aluminum frame, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, all stainless steel hardware, and a hardened and coated saw blade. It opens in seconds and has an automatic blade tensioning system with no loose parts. It is also ergonomic, with a high-clearance frame for large diameter cuts and optimized geometry for efficient saw strokes. Number 3. High Limb Rope Saw. The Campdor Rope Saw is a versatile and portable tool that allows you to be your own arborist, saving you money on professional services. With a reach of up to 25 ft, you can easily tackle high limbs without the need for a ladder. The dual-sided dozer claws feature a 65 mm high-carbon steel blade with patented tiger claw and bulldozer teeth, making it effortless to handle heavy yard tasks. This manual chainsaw is designed for ease of use, allowing beginners and experienced users to achieve precise and effective cuts. The complete kit includes a carrying case, making it convenient for any task, whether it's tree removal or building a shelter. Compact and lightweight, the Campdor Rope Saw is perfect for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures. With this rope saw, you can save thousands on yard work and adventures while making a sustainable choice to reduce your carbon footprint. Number 4. Folding Saw. The Koher Folding Saw is an ideal tool for a variety of activities, from gardening to camping and hunting. Featuring an SK5 steel blade, ergonomic non-slip handle with leather strap, and a secure blocking system, this saw is both safe and convenient for both beginners and professionals. It is also versatile, capable of cutting wood, PVC, bone, and more. Number 5. Rope Saw for Tree Limbs. Sensilin Tree Limb Rope Saw is a fully functional rope chainsaw kit that comes with everything you need for tree trimming. It features an upgraded 55-inch hand rope chainsaw made of high-strength carbon steel with 70 sharp teeth, evenly distributed on both sides of the saw. This rope saw can cut thicker trunks and has higher cutting efficiency than others. With its better functionality and durability, it can cut both high and low-lying branches, allowing you to easily trim trees and save money on tree service. The bidirectional cutting function prevents the chain from bogging down and makes cutting through wood a breeze. The kit also includes additional accessories for your convenience. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient tool for tree trimming, Sensilin Tree Limb Rope Saw is a great investment. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.